Need to change your Revolut access code in 2025? Whether for security or convenience, here's a fast and easy step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Start by launching the app on your phone and logging in with your current access code or biometrics. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top left or top right corner of the screen. Tap your profile photo or initials to access settings. Step 3. Go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on the option that says Security and Privacy. This is where you manage your PIN, biometrics, and other settings. Step 4. Select Change Access Code. Find the Change Access Code or Change Passcode option, then enter your current code to confirm your identity. Step 5. Enter a new 4-digit code. Now type in your new 4-digit passcode. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. Confirm it again to complete the process. Important tip: don't use obvious codes like 1234 or your birth year. A strong PIN helps keep your account safe. And that's it. Your access code is now updated. Like and subscribe if this guide helped you, and stay secure with Revolut.